Like whenever we want to service charge settlement, for example, in the RE-FX, what happened? In RE-FX, there are the utilities, maintenance charges, there are street and washing like that. We have the service charges. Okay. In that case, how to maintain service charges in SAP RE-FX? In that case, what happened? First, we have to create the business entity. First, we need to create. After that, we need to create the building also we need to create. After that, I need to create the rental object also I need to create. These three things first you have to create. After that, what will you do is directly you will go, there is a participation group. Here you have to create the one participation group. Like here, participation or Apex private limited. And I will give the date also. This is very important. And date is very important. You have to maintain the dates. Like here, take the rental object. I created the rental object. I will maintain it here. Rental object. Go to rental object. And yeah, this is a my rental object. I have to assign in the participative group. Date also I will maintain. Date is very important. You need to maintain. After that, you can create the participation group. After that, what will you do is there is a settlement. Okay, service charges purpose. We need to create settlement. You need to create this settlement. Let's see here I create the like service charges for utility usage. Okay, I will create what is the purpose I am creating settlement unit like utilities purpose. Okay, we have to pay these are okay non-recovery expenses. Like here in that case, I will assign the participation group. What I created, same participation group, I will assign. Upon and here apportionment and I need to give it. That is also we have to assign here. After that optional rate method, here also you have to maintain. There is a optional okay rate method you have to maintain. Next, what will you do is in the service charge settlement purpose, you have to release the cost collector. That is a mandatory. After that, you have to save. Now I created the settlement unit. I created the participation group. I created the master data. What is the purpose? Utilities purpose. Now I have to post one financial entry. How can I post that financial entry? There is a GL account. Let's see, I will post at the 1st July. Okay. What is that? Service charge expenses. I will post here. 2010 is the GL account. Let's I will assign here. You can observe what I will do is here I will maintain service charge settlement unit just before I created. What is the unit? REFX. And the date also I will maintain. After that, you can click on continue. Next, you have to assign there is a vendor account. Why? Because who will bear the service charges? There is a vendor. Vendor also need to be here, right? In that case, I will create there is a 20,000 as a service charges I created for the July month. Next, what should I do is in the service charge settlement purpose, there is a determine optional rate method. There is a 100% I am giving, right? That should be settled. Like here, I will give the settlement unit also. Next, what I will do here, you can take the date, key date. You have to take the key date. Execute. When I executed here, it is showing as a my optional rate. Whatever I assigned, same thing here, it will visible. Now I will remove the like here test run. I will put the update run. When I update a run, automatically it will create. Next, what I will do is now I need to do this settlement for the service charges. Why? Because I posted the entry. There is a service charge. Here I will give company code and I will give there is a business entity and what is that 12 and I will give here service charge settlement unit also. I will give it. Next I need to give settlement for which month? July month. Here also I will maintain the July month. Okay. After that, I will check, I will verify here any error is occur or not. I will check it. So there is no error. System is ready to create. Just I will go back and I will put the actual settlement. If here settle, there is a settlement error and settlement has been created. Like here, what is the error we need to look at? So everything updated, there is no issue. Next, you can go, there is a continuous settlement. Here also you can verify that settlement is creating correctly or not. You can verify it. If it is creating verify continuing successfully, next you have to settle in the REFX. There is a like here object it will take. You have to see what is a posting available here. Let's see here. I will take it. Like here, what is that? We can see you can take here. There is a here we can see service charge expenses. It will post it. Just to go back and remove test run and update. Automatically, it will post service charges. So there is no subsequent document. Why? Because non-recovery expenses just you are recording. This is a way we will do in SAP RE-FX service charge settlement process. Okay. You can do same way like here.